celebrated Indonesian Independence Day. Our school also provides many competitions, for example, marble in a spoon race, drawing competition, and Kurukuk race. All students were required to take part in the competition. I was confused about which competition I should take part in, and finally I found one that draws my attention. The competition that I took part in was an English speech competition about Indonesian Independence Day. I was really nervous because I am not used to speaking in front of a lot of people. After the competition, the teacher announced the winner, and guess what? I won third place. I was really happy, and I got a certificate as a reward. Thank you so much for listening to my speech. Have a wonderful day.